Look around you. Men are becoming weaker. This isn't just a feeling. It's backed by statistics. Studies show that average testosterone levels in men have dropped by nearly 50% over the last 50 years. Your grandfather had more natural strength without ever stepping into a gym than many gym goers have today. Why? Because we chose comfort over intensity. We sit in ergonomic chairs, eat processed food from plastic containers, and scroll on our phones until 2 a.m. This lifestyle is slowly destroying your hormones. If you want to reclaim your strength, you don't need a gym membership. You need to shock your system. Today, I'll give you a 5-step protocol to wake up your natural hormones using only gravity, biology, and mental toughness. Before we start, understand this. Your body is efficient. If you don't use strength, your body assumes you don't need testosterone, so it produces less of it. To increase testosterone, you must create a demand. You must send your brain a survival signal. I need strength. That signal comes from high-intensity stress on large muscle groups. Your ancestors didn't jog for fun. They sprinted to hunt or escape danger. That life-or-death intensity triggers large spikes in testosterone and human growth hormone. Long, slow jogging does the opposite. It raises cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone. High cortisol equals low testosterone. So stop jogging. Step 1. Sprint protocol. Go to a field or even better, a steep hill. Sprint at 100% effort for 15 to 20 seconds. Not 80%, not 90%. Full speed. Then rest for 2 minutes. Repeat 6 times. If your legs aren't shaking and you don't feel completely exhausted by the end, you didn't go hard enough. Step 2. Single leg squats. Bulgarian split squats. Your legs hold the biggest muscles in your body. Glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Training them hard sends the strongest hormonal signal. Here's the movement. Place one foot behind you on a bench or couch. Keep your chest up and core tight. Lower until your back knee nearly touches the floor. Push up through the front heel. This exercise forces balance and power at the same time, activating more muscle and more hormone response. It will be painful. Yes, you will hate it, but skip it and enjoy having weak legs for the rest of your life. Now listen carefully. Doing 50 slow push-ups builds endurance, not testosterone. To trigger hormone spikes, you must activate fast-twitch muscle fibers. The fibers responsible for explosive strength. Explosive push-ups. Lower yourself slowly for 2 seconds. Control the movement, build tension, then explode upward with maximum force. Your hands should leave the ground. If you're strong enough, clap at the top. This fast shift from slow to explosive shocks your nervous system. Don't count reps. Stop the set when your speed slows down. Once the explosiveness is gone, the hormone signal is gone. We train for power, not for marathons. Perfect pull-ups. I see people in the gym cheating with half reps and swinging their bodies. That builds nothing. Here's a real rep. Start from a dead hang, shoulders relaxed. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Squeeze your back muscles at the top, then lower all the way down with control. This is one of the best compound movements for the upper body. It works your lats, biceps, forearms, and core at the same time. The more muscles involved, the greater the metabolic stress, and metabolic stress drives hormone release. Do 3 sets to failure. The finisher, burpees. The exercise everyone loves to hate. It combines a squat, a push-up, and a jump into one powerful motion. Your heart is forced to pump blood rapidly to your entire body. Your oxygen drops. Your body panics. That stress forces adaptation and growth. Do high reps with very short rest periods to finish your workout. Lifestyle equals hormones. You can train perfectly, but if you live weak, your testosterone stays low. The workout is the spark. Your lifestyle is the fuel. 1. Sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours every night. Most testosterone is produced during deep REM sleep. Sleeping only 5 hours can drop levels by up to 15%. 2. Diet. Stop fearing fat. Cholesterol is the building block of testosterone. Eat whole eggs, nuts, avocados, olive oil, and quality red meat. Avoid sugar and heavily processed foods. 3. Sunlight. Get at least 20 minutes of direct sun daily. Vitamin D acts like a hormone and is essential for male strength and health. No shortcuts, no magic pills. Just biology and discipline. Train this routine 3 times a week, fix your sleep, eat real food. Within 30 days, you won't just feel stronger, you'll see a different man in the mirror. If you're ready to evolve, hit subscribe. Now go train.